I'm very glad that I was invited to the ICI to share my personal knowledge on the budget process, and of course, any information about the insertions on the flood control. That is the basis of my invitation. I'm glad to have shared any and all personal knowledge and information to the ICI because I want to help the ICI in this investigation. We want to support the investigation, the fact-finding, to resolve the issues surrounding the concerns of the ICI. Nagpapasalamat ako talaga sa member ng ICI that I was finally given an opportunity to share my side of the story. So, kumbaga sa ngayon po, it's about facts and evidence and hindi lang political noise or speculations. Kaya the ICI commissioners were able to ask me many questions and I was able to answer it, and I feel very, very happy, and I welcome this opportunity to share all anything I know.
So yung kay Representative ko, ano pong tingin niyo dapat niyang gawin?
Well, the ICI will have resource persons invited here, and we shall await for the same.
Sir, do you think he should come back to the front?
Well, any and all resource persons who are invited here, we expect them to return.
Sir, babalik po kayo sa commission?
I'm ready to come back to the commission anytime I'm invited, so that if I can share more information, I will do so.
So
Sir,
comment lang.
Sir, you will release your SALN?
I will do at the instance of the commission. So,
Sir, yung Sir, pupunta po kayo sa POG.
I will not be invited to.
Sir, yung pong sinabi ng witness ni Senator Marcoleta, and would you like to comment yung kay Orly?
Well, the witnesses that were presented are discredited already for having presented falsified documents in the form of the testimony, and their testimonies have already been denied by the subordination operator.
That he was part of your security?
He's not part of my security. Thank you very much.
Ayan na nga, mga kaibigan. Inimbitahan na ng ICI si Martin Romualdez bilang resource person. Nako, yung dating pagdinig dun sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, si Martin Romualdez at si Saldico ang itinuturong mastermind dyan sa corruption na yan. Tinuturo ng mga contractor, dun sa DPWH, yung mga engineer, tinuturo sila. Pero, bakit resource person? Anong klaseng investigasyon kaya yung ginagawa ng ICI na to? Hindi nila sinasa publiko. Kumbaga closed door, sila lang. Anong iisipin ng mga tao? Mayroon ba silang tinatago? Sana i-open nila sa publiko para alam ng mga tao kung ano ang nangyayari sa investigasyon na yan. Hindi na sasabihin lang nila, ito, ganito, ganit yan. Okay naman. Nag-iisip yung mga tao. Kung wala silang tinatago, dapat i-open nila to sa publiko. Kawawa. Sino yung mapaparusahan? Yung mga kontraktor, yung mga city engineer. Oo. Damay sila dito, pero ang dapat maparusahan yung mastermind. Kasama siya sa dapat. Pero ngayon, wala nang ano. Kumbaga, ang hirap magtiwala. Ang hirap maniwala sa mga sinasabi ng gobyernong ito. ICI, independent pa kayo? Independent Commission on Infrastructure. Nagkabulol-bulol na ako. Independent ba yan? O inuutusan kayo ng executive branch? Ako, sa tingin ko, walang mangyayari sa investigasyon na to. Lusot yung mga yan. Ang feeling kasi nila, sa kanila yung pera na nawala, na kinurakot. Diba? Galing yan sa mamamayan, dapat i-open ninyo sa publiko yung pagdinig ninyo dyan. At least maririnig namin kung ano yung mga tinatanong ninyo, kung ano yung nagiging development ng inyong investigasyon. Siguro, magkakaroon ng tiwala yung mga tao kapag ganyan. Ayaw nilang isa publiko kasi takot sila na mabantayan ng tao. Kaya walang mangyayari. Kayo guys, anong opinion ninyo tungkol dito? Pa-comment naman dyan sa baba. Pag-uusapan natin yan. Maraming salamat.